Do you feel like taking a break from the same old routine? If you want to broaden your horizons to enjoy the outdoor experience, this video is going to be interesting for you. We are going to show you how to start backpacking as a beginner. You don't have to be an expert to get started. It's simple. You basically pack what you need, put on that backpack, and just leave for a trip that's completely yours. Here are the 5 tips to start backpacking. Let's start with learning a few things about backpacking first. Remember, the only buddy you'll have is your backpack. You pack it up with all you need: shelter, food, comforts, and then you leave. But why do people love it? They love it because it includes moving around, giving your mind a little break, and just being in nature. So like whatever you like, such as hiking in forests, sitting by a campfire under the stars, or waking up to the sounds of water waves or waterfalls. You'll find everything on this adventure. I mean, what's there to not like about backpacking, right? Okay, it's time to move on to planning your backpacking trip. You might be wondering, how do I even start this adventure? It's simple. Just plan. Every great adventure begins with a plan. You just decide what kind of backpacking experience you're looking for. Do you want a short escape on the weekend to just chill out? Or you're dreaming of a week-long trek to test your limits? Or perhaps you don't care about anything and just want to leave for weeks? Once you've decided on the type of adventure, it's time to set up your gear. You have to choose a backpack and gear that fits you well, is comfortable to carry, and can carry all your necessities. The trick is to find and carry the right balance between comfort and weight while packing. Essential gear for beginners. We're gonna keep it simple. To start, get a backpack that fits your stuff, a tent for a cozy sleep spot, a comfy sleeping bag to keep you warm at night, and a stove for cooking up meals. Remember, keep it light and practical. That's the key. I get it, gear choices can be tough to make. But don't worry, just choose gear that fits your budget, is strong enough to handle the outdoor atmosphere and conditions, and matches your adventure style. Balance what you need with what you can carry easily, like clothing layers, navigation tools, a flashlight or lamp, basic food and water, etc. It's all about finding what suits you best. Packing and organizing your backpack. Packing is key to a great backpacking trip. Imagine your backpack as your home. You want everything organized and easy to reach. When you pack, think about what you'll use often, like snacks, a map, or water. Keep those items handy. Try to balance the weight by putting heavy stuff close to your back. It's about finding the right mix of easy access and even weight. Have you heard of packing cubes or dry bags? They're awesome for staying organized. These handy tools keep your stuff sorted, dry, and easy to find. Yeah, imagine never having to dig through your backpack for that one thing you need. It's everyone's dream. Choosing a backpacking destination. Now, where should you go? Picking the right place is really important, especially if you're just starting out. Look for easy-to-follow trails and nice weather. National parks often have well-kept trails that vary in difficulty. Consider how far you want to travel and what weather you like. The perfect place should excite you but also match your skill level. It's all about finding the right balance, a spot that challenges you a bit without being too hard. Remember, the main idea is to have fun on your journey. Enjoy the beautiful surroundings and make awesome memories. Okay, let's discuss safety now. Safety is super important. It's always on our minds. Before you head out on your backpacking trip, get to know the place you'll be exploring. Find out about any dangers, the animals you might meet, and the safety rules to keep in mind. Having a good first aid kit is a must. Accidents can happen, and being ready can really help. A first aid kit can help you with things like cuts, insect bites, and blisters. Remember, if you want to enjoy your adventure to the fullest, make sure you're safe and prepared. An important rule in backpacking is to always tell someone about your plans. Just have someone who knows your whereabouts when you're in the outdoors. Share where you'll start, the path you'll take, and when you plan to return with a trusted friend or family member. This way, someone will know where you are and can help if needed. Oh, and here's an important notice. Caring for nature is a big part of backpacking. Leave no trace is a set of rules that guides how we act in nature. It's about keeping places just as beautiful as we found them, or even better. This means cleaning up after ourselves, using specific paths, being kind to animals, and not touching or changing natural or historical things. It's a simple but important way to keep our beautiful places for the future. And there you go, a guide for beginners on backpacking. You know how to plan, what gear to bring, what to pack, which destination to choose, and safety rules to keep in mind. So if this backpacking guide helped, give us a thumbs up and share it with others who love adventures. And here's another exciting topic on backpacking that you wouldn't want to miss. Watch it now. See you next time.